Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss how to find domain, range and inverse for given fuzzy relation. In this, we have been given fuzzy relation R between sets X and Y, where X are having the elements A, B, C and Y is having the element X, Y, Z is defined by the following matrix. This is a fuzzy relation matrix. For this fuzzy relation, we need to find the domain, range and inverse of fuzzy relation. So, the fuzzy relation is given to us. So, this can be represented by the matrix. Here, elements of X correspond to rows and elements of Y corresponds to column. Here we can see that X is having the membership values A, B, C and these can be represented as a rows, and Y is having the elements X, Y, Z and these elements can be represented as a columns. So first we will find the domain of fuzzy relation. The domain of fuzzy relation R X, Y is a fuzzy set on X. It is obtained by taking the maximum membership value of each row. So this can be represented like this. That is, membership value of Xi in domain R is equivalent to maximum value of Xi, Yj for all Yj. This means for each element of X, we need to find the largest value in that row. So first I will take the first element, that is A. For the first element A, we have the row values 0.1, 0.4 and 0.5. In this, the maximum value is 0.5. So membership value of A in a domain R is equivalent to 0.5. Next, I will take the next element, that is B, and for this B, we have the row values 0.7, 0.2 and 0.3. In this, the maximum value is 0.7, so that the membership value of B in a domain R is equal to 0.7. Next, I will take the next element, that is C, and for this C, the row values are 0.6, 0.8 and 0.4. In this, the maximum value is 0.8. So that the membership value of C in a domain R is equal to 0.8. Finally, the domain of R can be represented like this. That is, the membership value of A is equal to 0.5, membership value of B is equal to 0.7 and membership value of C is equal to 0.8. Next, we will find the range of fuzzy relation. So, the range of fuzzy relation R of X, Y is fuzzy set on Y. So, it is obtained by taking the maximum membership value of each column. So, it can be represented like this. That is, the membership value of Yj in a range R is equal to maximum value of Xi, Yj for all Xi. This means for each element of Y, we need to find the largest value in that column. So first I will take the first element, that is X. For this element, the column values are 0.1, 0.7 and 0.6. In this, the maximum value is 0.7. So the membership value of X in a range R is equal to 0.7. Next, I will take the next element, that is Y. And for this Y, the column values are 0.4, 0.2 and 0.8. In this, the maximum value is 0.8. So, the membership value of Y in a range R is equal to 0.8. Next, I will take the next element, that is Z, and for this Z, the elements are 0.5, 0.3 and 0.4. In this, the maximum value is 0.5. So, the membership value of Z in a range R is 0.5. So finally, the range can be represented like this. That is, the membership value of X is 0.7, membership value of Y is 0.8 and membership value of Z is 0.5. Next, we will go for finding the inverse of fuzzy relation. The inverse relation, that is R inverse, is obtained by interchanging the elements of ordered pair. So that can be represented like this. That is, R inverse of Y comma X is equal to R of X comma Y. In matrix form, the inverse is simply the transpose of the matrix. It means we need to transpose rows into columns. So this is the original matrix. Just we need to transpose this first row as a first column. So this first row will convert it to first column. Second row will become second column. Third row will become third column. This is the inverse of fuzzy relation. This is how we can find the domain, range and inverse of fuzzy relation. I hope this concept is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.